Hello and welcome to this video on how to create a digital vision board or a manifestation board, which is also known. If you're jumping on this video, welcome. My name is Vicky Lord, and this channel is all about healing and empowerment so that you can live a life fulfilled. And if you've ever done manifestation before, it means bringing something into form, into being. And one of the things that I love about manifestation is that we really do have a storehouse of creation within us that we can bring into being if we have the courage to go for it. So the purpose of creating a vision board is to have it where you can visually see it with your eyes. So instead of just thinking it in your mind or thinking it in your heart or having a gut feeling that you're going to get it, you can also add some vision to it. So the way that I'm doing this one today, it's a digital vision board, and I'm going to use a program called Canva for this. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and walk you through step by step so that you can do the same. All right, so there's two ways that you can do this. So if you go to the search bar up the top, you can either type in vision board, and that will show you all different Canva templates for vision boards, and you go down and you choose one that you like. The other thing that you can do is you can type in poster, and that is also awesome for vision board work as well. So you can find something that lights you up. So I've got a small goal this year. I don't have lots that's going to fill up a big calendar. So I've chosen this smaller one over here because it's nice and neat. And so the vision board that I'm doing today is a YouTube growth vision board for my goal. So my goal is, because I'm fairly new to doing YouTube, the first goal that I'm going to set is 10,000 followers or subscribers. So I'm going to write the purpose or the mission of the YouTube channel, this channel. So it's all about healing and happiness. So I'm going to write the healing and happiness. So that is the core topic that I want to talk about. I want to show people how to live a life of healing and happiness. So I'm going to add that right to the middle here. So when you're working with Canva, you've got these little arrows that you can bring down. Just drag it down and it'll bring everything into alignment. So down, down, down. And then that's thundering outside. Can you hear that? I'm going to try and get this done before the thunder really comes. So I choose the font that I like. So I like to use Baskerville. So I find it's nice and bold. So it's still, maybe we can go like that. There you go. Healing and happiness. But I kind of like that. So let's go with that. And we'll make some things a little bit smaller so that we can fit it all in. Probably don't need that. So we'll just lift that up like that. There you go. Healing and happiness. That's what it is about. So if you need to center it a bit more, just grab it with your cursor and it'll find its way to the center, the red line to do that. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to add some vision to this. So if you think about your vision that you have, where you're going, what are some images that come to mind that you'd like to add? And so the way that we add images is we go to the left and it's called elements. So we go to the element and we search for something that we're going to use. And in this case, I'm going to use a YouTube logo. I'm going to type in YouTube and see what comes up. So actually, I might go for photos because this is a photo. It's not a logo, but we can probably find a logo that will fit in the picture. But for now, let's go for an image. So we'll take this YouTube one and put it over here. So YouTube is the goer. So I'm going to chop that down a bit. And then that is the platform that I'm using. And then if I come over here, I'm going to write the goal of 10,000. So there's a nice looking 10,000 there, but that's too big. So that's not going to work. Let's find a smaller one. So to delete that, you just got to press the rubbish button and then delete the image. Don't delete the grid, otherwise take everything away. But let's see if this one fits. There you go. So we've got YouTube, 10,000 followers or subscribers. How cool is that? So on this next image, because I'm mostly wanting to work with women who want to create a fulfilling life, now I'm going to look for some images of happy women. So if you type that in, you'll find some, and then choose some that look pretty happy to you or how you want it. I like this one because it's all about friendship, having coffee, watching a few videos. So now we're nearly there. So we've got using YouTube as the platform of the mission, a goal of how many people are going to reach. And then it's all about happy women, healing and happiness. And my other goal was to work one-on-one with some amazing women. So let's go. So we want 100 women in the group. Let's see if we can find a nice 100 that will look cool. So try this one. That looks okay. So red is the YouTube color. Looking good. Maybe this one. 100. I might use that one. So that's the first YouTube goal. And then my second goal, which I've already got the 100 here, is I have a program called Boldly Become You. So I've already uploaded this image. So I'm going to scroll down to images that are already here. I'm going to upload Boldly Become You. I thought I uploaded it, but I mustn't have uploaded it. Boldly Become You. No, I didn't upload it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload it now. I'm going to look for Boldly Become You. It should be here somewhere. I sent it to someone the other day. No, okay. That's okay. We'll use a different image. We'll use this girl. And then we'll write some text over the top of it. So bring it down here. Boldly become you. And that looks pretty good. So I'll just put a little background on that so you can actually read the Boldly Become You. Otherwise it wouldn't be seen good enough. Boldly become you. All right, there we go. That looks like it's working. So now we have the goal. We've got the Boldly Become You. We've got YouTube goal and then a little bit of a business mission goal. And so what's involved in Boldly Become You? That's exactly what the title says, healing and happiness. But I want to focus a bit more on empowerment. So I'll probably choose the word empowerment, which will photos. Well, that's all right, like a boss. Let's put that in there. But that's not what I'm looking for. So the word empowerment in pink. No, not finding something that brings it to life. What could go there? So boldly become you, like a boss, empowered. Let's see what the graphics have. That's pretty cool. And power. That's too big. So, let's look for something else. Um, let's try happy because that is the ultimate goal. Happy, 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 happy. And look, go to photos. So you got graphics and photos. Um, well, that looks okay. There's some happiness. They look pretty bold and happy being themselves, and they're like a boss. So that looks okay. And then I do love carnations. Carnation is a flower, so that would look nice. Actually, that would probably look nice on the background. No, we'll put it down here in the corner. All right, so now we're looking really cool. What else can we put on this vision board? And then that will make it complete. What else goes with empowerment for women? I'm going to keep Italy because I've always wanted to go to Italy. So let's do travel women. There we go. Go watch some hot air balloons. And then, oh, a yacht would be all right. We can go on the yacht and move it over a little bit. The thing with vision boards, I try not to have anyone else. Like I know I've got people's spaces here at the moment. That's because community. But if I was creating a personal one, my very own self, I probably wouldn't have the face on it. I'd have something that was more along the lines of myself instead of yeah, like that. So how do you like that? That is a digital vision board made on Canva. So I'll just move myself out of the way. So to save this to your desktop and then you can get it printed, is go to share, download, and it'll download everything. We don't want everything. We just want to choose page 1 and then choose the file. So you want to choose the file that's best for printing. So PDF is best for printing. Often when you're printing with a publisher, they'll ask for the PDF. So we're going to go PDF. I'm going to call it up the top here. There's a search bar or a right bar. You can call it happiness vision board. Feeling and happiness vision board. And now you can download it. So it's going to download with your name that you chose, and just choose number 1 and go back to your PDF, best for printing, and you have download. And then that will save to your computer. And that means that you can go and take that or send it to your favorite printing company where you can get it printed, and then you can put it on your board, on your wall, so that you can see your goal and your vision daily, which is really exciting to do that. So I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, subscribe, and we'll do some more videos on how to create a life that you love. Thank you so much for watching.